Good evening, everyone. My name is Megan Grken, and I'm a partner at Morrison & Forrester. I've had the distinct pleasure to know and work with Lisa for nearly 15 years. I first met and worked with Lisa at DOJ in the Antitrust Division, where she was chief of the Criminal Enforcement Section, and we now work very closely together at MoFo. I really can't think of anyone more deserving of this award in the bar than Lisa, not only because she has had such great success throughout her career in both government and now in private practice, but because she's always focused on the advancement and success of women. Lisa is a mentor to younger women in our firm, and she's always served as a mentor to women at DOJ and throughout the antitrust community. Lisa has also focused on ensuring that women are promoted, for example, to management positions, and always making sure that women serve critical roles on investigations and trial teams. She also formed a group of antitrust lawyers called Women in Cartels. Lisa is all the more inspiring, particularly to me as a mom, because she has raised 4 children while achieving her successes. Congratulations, Lisa, on this well-deserved induction to the Hall of Fame-inism. Cheers.
My name is Dina Timberlake Wiley, and I'm coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. It is such an honor to say a few words about my friend Lisa Phelan at this very important ceremony where she is being inducted. Lisa has been such a role model, mentor, and friend, not only to me, but so many other women in the Antitrust Division. She's been a pioneer for diversity, for integrity, and as I watched her excel in management, she really changed the way that international antitrust conspiracies are investigated and prosecuted. And so I just wanted to say today, Lisa, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for always answering my calls. Thank you for your wisdom. Thank you for being at my wedding, supporting me during my parenting, doing everything that a friend and mentor could do to help this particular woman excel in her own career. Congratulations, Lisa. I love you.
Hi, I'm Kate Patchen. I'm a competition attorney at Facebook and formerly worked in the DOJ's Antitrust Division. I know Lisa from my time at the division, where Lisa was a trusted advisor and mentor for me, particularly as I was learning the ropes as a new office chief in San Francisco. Lisa is a trailblazer for many reasons, not only for her many career accomplishments, but also because of her generosity. Lisa stands out more than anyone I can think of as someone who has actively worked to help other women in the profession. Beyond sharing her wisdom and advice with me, Lisa has created networking events, literally international in scale for women, and has participated in panel discussions that further the conversation about women in antitrust. Congratulations, Lisa, on your well-deserved award.
Hello, I'm Lisa Phelan, and it's my pleasure and honor to accept my indoctrination into the inaugural class of the Hall of Fame-inism for the American Bar Association Antitrust Section and the Women Connected Committee that has put together this inaugural class of women trailblazers in antitrust. I am honored to be in the class with such other amazing women who have had just incredible careers in antitrust over the years. Including Deb and Meg, who I worked with at DOJ for many years, and Bonnie, who I've always admired as a leader in class action litigation, which is a challenging space to be in. Let me tell you a little bit about myself if you don't know me. I know many of you do because over the years we've crossed paths in cases or in the ABA or working on projects together. I started at DOJ straight out of law school at the Antitrust Division, and I went there because I wanted to do something that I thought really mattered. And I had found antitrust during law school as an area where it felt like you could make a difference in people's lives, in everyday people's lives. And I grew up in a family of pretty modest means, and you know, I was the first in my family to go to college, much less law school, and that was on a scholarship and working several jobs while I did it. And so I was looking for a place where I could, you know, make a difference for everyday people. And Antitrust always resonated with me as a place where you could do that. And luckily, 30 plus years later, it's still true. And I have felt it as a tremendously rewarding area to work in, and felt like I have made a difference. And I'm really proud and happy about that. Many of you know I worked at DOJ for quite a lot of years. In the beginning, I was working on all types of cases, criminal, civil, monopolization, mergers, cartels, and eventually I became the chief of National Criminal Enforcement Section there. So for many years, investigated and prosecuted cases involving major companies. But one of the most important things, I think, was that I was sort of on the cusp of the transition from antitrust being a domestic law area to an international law area. So it was just an amazing period of time where I got to travel all over the world, help encourage other countries in developing their cartel practices and policies, and coordinated major global investigations all over the world with sometimes 10, 12 jurisdictions in cases like air cargo, freight forwarders, auto parts, and most importantly, I got to work with just amazing people who were dedicating their life to public service. So I was, you know, endlessly fulfilled there, but then I'm now finding just as fulfilling being at Morrison & Foerster, where I'm a partner in the Global Antitrust Group, and it is just as rewarding to help companies and executives understand what is going on in a government investigation, what is the enforcer concerned about, what are they looking for, and how can we talk to each other in a way that can hopefully resolve the situation in a way that everybody is satisfied, and if not, be ready for litigation, which is one of my unfortunately favorite places to be, because it can be a contentious place, but it can also again be a very rewarding place. So enough about me. I just wanted to again thank and congratulate the Women Connected group. It's a group that's actually kind of very near and dear to my heart. I've been a big advocate for women in the antitrust space for a number of years now. For the last decade, I've sought to inspire and promote more women to take on antitrust as a career. I started a group called Women in Cartels to sort of get women networking and talking to each other about opportunities that exist out there in this profession. And then the Women Connected is a special group that has been formed inside the ABA antitrust section to, again, bring women together. And the two leaders of that right now, Gabby Kohlmeyer and Jody Williams, are amazing young women who are working every day to create new opportunities for connection and sponsorship and cooperation among women. And of course, they're male allies who helped me. I certainly had my share of male allies who helped me along the way. But the camaraderie of women in the space is an inspiring thing to see as well. So thank you all. I look forward to seeing all of you soon once we're all kind of out of our houses and can get together again at ABA spring meetings and conferences. And thank you again, and congratulations to the other women who are being inducted into the Hall of Fame-inism this week. Take care.